What up guys, Miguel here from YugaTech, and in today's video, we're unboxing the OPPO F11 Pro. So let's get right into it. And satisfying drop in 3, 2, 1. There we go. And first up, we have a jelly case and the SIM ejector tool and some paperwork. Oh wait, I am mistaken. It is a jelly case, but it's a bit harder than what you usually get from the other brands, and that's nice. And then we're greeted by the device itself. Sliding it out of its packaging. And we'll power that on and set that aside. What else you get in the box? So we have a power adapter, a USB-A to micro USB cable, and a pair of wired earphones. Powering the OPPO F11 Pro is the MediaTek Helios P70 octa-core chipset. It comes with Android 9 Pie, skinned with ColorOS 6 out of the box. And actually, I'm a fan of the... Oh, did you see that? Did you see that camera? And up front, it's rocking a 13 megapixel front-facing camera, while at the back, you get a 48 megapixel shooter with a 2 megapixel depth sensing shooter. So yeah, it's a dual camera setup at the back. And this is what you guys look like on my phone. Oh. Apparently, when you're shooting at 48 megapixels, you cannot zoom. So yeah, let's focus on this front-facing camera, and it's really cool. It has this super cool animation when you flip to the front as well. You getting that? Yeah. So let's take a shot. And first impressions. Whoa! You can see all my blemishes on my face. Seems like a really awesome 16 megapixel camera over there. For ports, well, since we unboxed it, you know it's running a micro USB down here, a bottom firing loudspeaker, a microphone for your calls, and it still has a 3.5mm audio jack right here. On the left side, you get your volume rocker. I actually like the ergonomical placement of this, being left-handed. For the power button on the right side, you get this awesome little green strip that, well, signifies that this is the power button, not that, you know, I would confuse that for anything else. Up top, you get your light sensing ambient sensors and your loudspeaker microphone right here on the left. Oh yeah, you also get your SIM card slot right here on the right. And you also get a fingerprint sensor right here on the back. So that's the F11 Pro. You get that awesome pop-out front camera. Kind of reminds me of the OPPO Find X, except it's just this thing. So it also kind of reminds me of the Energizer phone because of the placement of the front-facing camera. It kind of has the profile of a battery if you kind of squint a little. You know what's really interesting about this display is it isn't AMOLED, but things look really sharp. And I don't know. The blacks look really black, and it's all screen from edge to edge. So that's awesome. Yeah, that's the OPPO F11 Pro. I'm sticking it into its jelly case. So, want to know more about the OPPO F11 Pro? Check out our full review right here. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!